Alright guys, now that I officially gotten off of the Kali River Rapids, so now it's time for me to show you the interactivity of this attraction, which I said I was going to do.
It was my back. I barely got
It got my back. It got me in the ear. Other than that, I didn't get that wet. Other than that, mostly the pants got it.
Let's go, Ken.
Forget it.
What? Nobody's going with me.
Well, for one thing, I'm getting out of here. For one thing, I'm getting out of here to show some interactivity with this attraction. So now, let's show the interactivity here at the raft observation area, and this is where you get many people to get ticked at you for doing this. Raft coming? Go. Yep.
Yeah, I thought you two were gonna get it, and then he thought me and Lexi were gonna get it.
And then it turned at the last second.
Yeah. Yep, this button here will actually squirt them. Watch. Number 19 is going to be the poor losers on this one. Watch this. Alright, I think you guys get enough.